So the topic has come up about what does a seller do if they are behind in their mortgage. And in this video, I want to give you some options so you know exactly where you are and what you can do if that is the case. So in today's video, which may not apply to everybody, but I want you to watch it until the end because you may know someone that is currently struggling financially. And I want you to know that if you are struggling with paying your mortgage, you have options. And I'm going to go over a few options with you now. And the first one is I want you to call your lender to let them know what is your recourse and what other options you have. But not only by doing that, you're putting them on notice that you're reaching out to them for some help. Why don't you just listen to what they have to say and then put a game plan in place to where either you could come back current with your mortgage or explore other options. And the second option is contact me. Let me come over and I can tell you what to do if you need to sell your property. Now, remember, this may not be the case, but if you are behind on your mortgage, you do not want to get more than 4 or 5 months behind because the bank will put you in foreclosure. So the best option is if you have nowhere to turn and you really feel like you're no longer able to afford your mortgage, reach out to me because what we can do is we can do a comparative market analysis to see where you are as far as value. You know, last year I helped 2 clients that were behind on the mortgage. They actually had equity. We ended up selling their home. They were behind several months. We ended up selling their home and they walked away with some money because they had a ton of equity in their property. So listen, if you or someone you know is struggling, please do not allow the bank to take it back in foreclosure. That is a lawsuit from the bank to you, which means you will never be able to buy another home in a minimum of 10 years. It stays on your credit. It's just not a good scenario. So again, this is more of a resource type video to help you or someone you may know. If you are struggling with finances and are behind on your mortgage, please reach out to your bank first, reach out to me second, and I will guide you the best way that I know how so you don't lose your house and lose your equity. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, there is never any obligation or cost. Michelle and I are here to earn your trust and educate you on how to make the most amount of money when selling your largest financial and emotional transaction, your home. Have a great day.